In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your DocuSign subscription. Whether you're wrapping up your free trial or just trying to declutter your digital life, knowing how to navigate these subscription services can be really helpful. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to the DocuSign website and log into your account. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the menu options available to you. You'll find an option labeled Admin. Click on it. This is going to take you to a section where you can manage various aspects of your account, including billing and subscription details. Now, under the Admin section, you'll see an option for Plan and Billing. Selecting this will open up a detailed page that outlines your current subscription plan. If you're still on a free trial, it's important to note that you might not see the option to cancel just yet. Free trials often come with certain restrictions or requirements for cancellation, so keep that in mind as you proceed. However, once your free trial period ends and you've transitioned into a paid plan, you'll find the cancellation option available in this section. When you do gain access to the cancellation option, make sure to read through any prompts or notifications that may appear. Sometimes, service providers include important information regarding refunds or the loss of access to features once a subscription is canceled. It's always a good idea to be aware of these conditions so that you can make the most informed decision possible. Once you're certain you want to proceed with the cancellation, click the appropriate button to cancel your subscription. You might be required to confirm your choice, possibly through an additional approval step. Double-check that your subscription status is updated correctly before you close out of your browser or app. It's always reassuring to see that on-screen confirmation stating you've successfully canceled your subscription. And there you have it. Canceling a subscription like DocuSign can be straightforward if you know where to look and what to expect. Always ensure that your data is backed up or any important documents are saved, especially if they reside within the service you're canceling. If you encounter any issues or your status doesn't change promptly, it might be worth reaching out to DocuSign's customer service for further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your subscriptions with ease. Remember to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your digital world, and we'll see you in the next video.